cleaning out a plastic peanut butter jar in a more eco-friendly way.
And remove the excess peanut butter in there, put it on a cracker. Don't consume this, don't waste food. I'm actually going to try this with snow. It's a solid state, which means that I can press using that spoon against the walls of the container. I got that out. Still got a little bit of snow down there on the bottom of the container. I'm just kind of using it and swirling it around. Kind of remove more of the bottom of peanut butter from the container. Using more of the label to help me wipe it. Remove the excess peanut butter from the container or jar. Alright, I put in some gray water. Label to help me wipe it a little bit better. Also, if your hands can't fit in there or the peanut butter jar or container is too small, you know, you can use a spoon, a fork, chopsticks or something like that. Just kind of wipe the walls a little bit better so they actually are not oily, for example. Alright, as you can see, I've removed most of the peanut butter, and it didn't even take me that long because I still have the snow in my sink right now. Now, if you're reusing this for a project or to put things inside, then this would be the time to use like more clean water and wipe it a little bit better. This could also be reused even before recycling for storage, to put stuff in there, let's say pens, pencils, something along the lines of that. Keep reusing those resources, keep recovering those resources, and keep it in a circular fashion.